Hi, this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is a close-up look at the latest design from the 2026 Afghan Club. This blanket is called the Coastal Vibes Afghan, and you can see it has some beautiful textures, and also it has a subtle ripple effect to it. Both sides of the blanket are essentially the same as far as the textures go. And I'm using a variety of colors here, basically 4 different color skeins, and I just wanted to show you what I'm using before I finish the blanket. So I'm nearing the end of it, but I wanted to show you the yarn before I use it all up. So the blues, you can see I've got 2 different multicolored blue skeins that I'm using here, and this is a Premier puzzle yarn in 2 different colors. And let's see, this one was Go Fish, and the other one I forget the name of it, but I'll link that in the pattern as well, so you can see it. This is a multi-blue color. And I got this yarn when I was visiting Wisconsin in September, October. I went to Hirschner's in Stevens Point, and I bought some of this puzzle yarn. And I had 6 skeins total of basically 2 different colors, and I wanted to use it to make a blanket. So I'm using that now, but I didn't have enough to make a large enough blanket for the queen size bed that I wanted to cover with it. So I also grabbed a couple other colors. Just some yarn here purchased in New Zealand, which is available pretty widely as well in the States. And this is listed as a size 5 bulky weight, same as the puzzle yarn, but I did find it was slightly heavier, but it still worked pretty well. I think even though it was slightly heavier, it was fine. And I used 2 different colors. I used, this one was Salt, and this one I think was Deep Sea. So just 4 different colors I used to create this beautiful Coastal Vibes Afghan, and I'll show you a bit more of the textures in a moment. So this blanket is, again, one that is made to measure. You can customize the size, make it to any dimensions, and I did make mine to fit a queen size bed. And you can also use potentially like a worsted weight size 4 yarn if you'd like. Again, this is a size 5 bulky weight that I used, and I also used a size L 8mm hook. So a larger hook. You can use something smaller if you're going to use a worsted weight yarn. You might want to use like a K hook. 6.5mm would be a suggestion. But yes, you can use yarn hook of choice to create this beautiful blanket. It does have some beautiful textured ripples here. You can see this is what one side looks like, and then when you flip it over, the opposite side is essentially the same texture as well. So it's pretty much a reversible design. And you can make it, of course, to any dimensions. So I love being able to customize sizing. You can, make a baby blanket or a larger Afghan for your couch or for your bed. And it looks really pretty with the different colors. And you got some ribbing going on and some post stitches to create these nice sort of like shell effects. So I hope you do enjoy making this new blanket. Again, it is in the 2026 Afghan Club and also available separately on Etsy and Ravelry. I will put the link to the pattern and also the club in the description box. Here is the finished product. I've used up all the remaining yarn that I had and laid it out on the couch so you could see what it looks like completed. I'm very happy with this one. It turned out so pretty. So if you're interested, check this one out. Again, I'll put the links to the pattern in the description box.